Hello viewers, are you planning to buy any TWS? I have used many TWS and currently I am using Realme Air 7 TWS, but sadly I moved to wired earphones as I was having headache after using TWS for a long period of time. Plus you will notice that many celebrities don't use TWS due to magnetic side effects. But it doesn't mean that the sound quality of Realme Earbud 7 is not good. This is one of the best TWS that you can buy under the price bracket of 3000 rupees. It has active noise cancellation and its direct competitor is OnePlus Nord Buds 3 Pro. Actually, the size of these birds are on the bigger side, and if you have small ear, in that case it will fit properly, but you will feel headache or ear pain after using it for a couple of minutes. Before buying this TWS, I read many reviews that people are having headache after using it. There are various reasons behind headache and ear pain. The first reason is the size and the second reason is that inside the TWS there are batteries and magnets that may cause headache and ear pain. So if you have large ears, in that case you can definitely consider buying Realme Buds Air 7 under the price bracket of 3000 rupees. I have bought this TWS at 2.6k from Amazon.in during Amazon Great Indian Festival. Connectivity wise, these TWS are very good. There is no problem in pairing. You can add two devices at the same time. And actually pairing is instant on this TWS. I have also used OnePlus Buds, but that doesn't connect automatically instantly. But there is no such issue with Realme Buds Air 7. So in terms of connectivity, I will give 10 out of 10 to Realme Buds Air 7. In terms of sound quality, the bass is on the higher side. The mids are also balanced and you can hear the vocals very clearly. However, during calls in noisy environments, the active noise cancellation sounds little bit hollow. So if there is enough traffic and enough noise, you will not hear properly the sound or the voice of the other persons you are speaking with. If you are planning to buy this TWS, I would request you to wait for the sale. The best price for this TWS is around 2600 rupees. I will let you know about the best offers when it will be on sale with good offers, so stay tuned for that. Hope this video has become informative to you. Though I don't use this TWS anymore, you can buy this for good sound quality if you have large ears. Thank you.